Alright guys, I'm out here with the Potensic D68. I believe that's the name of it. And I'm not doing anything special today. I'm just flying. I'm just going to fly around a little bit. I'm trying to get the battery broke in. I haven't used it that much. You know, only had that one flight with it. Let me start some video. So let me use the controller to do that. Seems to always work better with the transmitter doing the video. Let me get them settings in there. Okay, let me make sure that's good. Yeah, I'm just flying today. Just fly around, shoot some video, that's all. Let's take off. But not hit me. Okay, let's take off but not hit me. Up, it says disconnected. So, you know, that's not good. Wait a minute, there's connected again. Okay, so it found it. Yay! "15 satellites, it should be holding pretty good." Get a shot of the bridge. I'm gonna try to hold it still so we can get some decent video here. Okay, so we got a shot of the bridge. Yay! Trying to tip there we go, get the camera down, look at the water. Now the sun all went away. The sun was glaring like crazy when I was out here with the Phantom and the Mavic Air 2. Yeah, it flies good, man. it does do that, you know, where it drops out. Oh crap, now it disconnected. Okay, so it reconnected. That's what happens when you try to turn these things around, you know. I'm not at that return to home stage, so I got 100 meters out of it before it disconnected, which is not that good. You know, you just gotta, whenever that happens, whenever you're out here flying, that disconnect, don't panic, just chill out for a second. I know a lot of new people, they get all antsy. But what happens is when you turn these things, like I got to that 100 meters and I started turning it around, it loses the connection because of the where the antennas are located. So it'll sit there and lose the connection. Now it still says disconnected, even though I'm flying it right here and supposedly we're recording the video supposedly. That part's still working, but it says disconnected. It's never reconnected from the flight, so. But it, as you can see, it's sitting right here. So, I don't know how to get it reconnected. There it goes, it came back. Okay. You just gotta wait. You know, don't panic, just wait, it'll come back. Flies good, man. It's one of my homemade orbits, okay. Okay. Like I said, I just brought it out to fly around. I didn't bring it out to, you know, shoot video or any of that other crap. I mean, to do any of these gimmicks and all that. I just brought it out to fly and shoot the video. Get some video of the water and the bridge. See how that turned out. Boy, it got awfully cloudy all of a sudden. Maybe I'll take a break. Go over to the hot dog shop and get a sandwich. Yep. Doing good, man. Flying good. Let me cut the video. Let me land it up. Yeah. Hand catching this thing's a piece of cake, guys. Gotta hold still after you do it. It will stop eventually. Oh, all right, guys, there you go. Potensic D68 flies good, man. So I got out, what, 100 meters and it started disconnecting. Well, disconnected because I started to turn. I could have probably went further out and it probably would have held okay. It's as soon as you're gonna turn is when you're gonna lose your bind. So just so you know that. All right, guys, have a nice day, man. I'll talk to you later.